Fiddlehead Farm is a small family farm located in Corbett, Oregon. Our mission is to produce high-quality, certified organic vegetables for distribution within the Portland metro region. We farm not just because we value the lifestyle, but because we strongly believe that sustainable agriculture has a critical role to play in creating and maintaining a vibrant local economy and healthy ecosystem. Small-scale agriculture is very different than the industrial model that operates on the commodity market. Not only is small-scale agriculture much more efficient, it can operate in systems that avoid the obvious pitfalls of modern industrial farming, including the proximity from producer to consumer. We believe that small-scale agriculture is a key element in reducing excessive waste and reducing greenhouse emissions. However, just like large agribusiness, small-scale producers need viable mechanisms for transporting produce to markets. The general industry standard is wax cardboard boxes that have a short lifespan, often cannot be reused, recycled, or composted, and quickly end up in the waste stream. Options exist for more reusable vessels. However, for a small operation, these are typically cost prohibitive.
So these bins right here work great for us, and we think that they would work great for a lot of small farms because small farms grow a diversity of crops and they're constantly making deliveries and being able to pick up their bins from the week before. So you don't need that many bins to make the operation work.
In partnership with Stop Waste and the Use Reusables grant, Fiddlehead Farm purchased 300 reusable, food-grade, durable produce bins. In doing so, we were able to reduce large volumes of waste, cut packaging and processing costs, and create a simple, replicable model for other farmers. The Portland metro region is not unique in the need to create low-waste partnerships between small-scale food producers and retail outlets. This relationship is needed and could flourish in many communities across the nation. Recognizing the long-term environmental and economic benefits of transitioning to reusable packaging is important in creating this model for change. New Seasons Market, which now boasts 15 stores and growing throughout the Portland metro, is our largest account. They are a zero-waste company, and according to Eric Crum, director of Portland State University's Community Environmental Services, by diverting 92% of its waste from landfills, New Seasons is reducing energy consumption by the equivalent of 34,545 gallons of gasoline. Until recently, most of their waste reduction has come in the form of composting, donations, and recycling. However, as of November 1st, the City of Portland no longer composts wax cardboard.
These kinds of containers that can be reused forever, that it takes so long for them to get dinged, they're so sturdy, it makes a lot more sense. And it's also with the mission of our company to be a corporation and to give our community success and ourselves success, having something that we can reuse and that we can stand behind and stand on because they're so durable are great.
Due to this change, New Seasons is urging growers to transition to reusable packaging. While this transition may not be excessively challenging for large-scale producers and distributors, it poses a real hurdle to small farmers, as reusable containers are cost-prohibitive to purchase up front. That's why organizations like Stop Waste are so important. We purchased our bins from Thunderbird Plastics, who specialize in high-quality, reusable containers. Not only are they durable and last for over 20 years, but they save space and time by stacking and nesting. Unlike wax boxes, they provide good ventilation for the produce, extending its lifespan. This is especially important in wholesale distribution.
My name is Sean from Hot Winter Hot Sauce. I really appreciate these new green bins that Katie is using. They're stackable, which is really great for airflow for me and keeping the product fresh. They're collapsible, which saves space, and they don't require any trash, so that's great for us on that end.
I really appreciate that these bins are durable enough to be pressure washed, which has been a huge gain in efficiency for the farm because we can wash so many of them at the same time, and they're really easy to sanitize, which is great for food safety.
On each harvest day throughout the season, we documented the number of reusable containers we used in place of disposable ones. By the end of the season, we had replaced almost 4,000 wax cardboard boxes with reusable ones. That is the equivalent of 8,000 pounds of waste diverted from the waste stream and close to $7,000.
We're just a small farm, but over the course of this season, we're going to make hundreds of deliveries.
Multiply that by the 20-year lifespan of these bins, and that's significant.
Imagine the impact to waste reduction if all small farms had access to reusable packaging.